How to fix the code execution cannot proceed because Edgegdi.dll was not found. So let's get started. Edgegdi.dll was not found error is triggered by a system conflict, so you should note that the problem may interfere with other processes and affect apps. So firstly, reinstall the program to fix Edgegdi.dll was not found. You can uninstall the program via app section in the settings. Find the program and hit uninstall option available there. Then install the program again. Also, you can do that via control panel. Choose uninstall the program under programs, select the app and right click to get the uninstall option available there and simply reinstall the application again. Then run the app in compatibility mode to fix it. Right click the application that triggers the issue and go to properties. Then click on the compatibility tab. Then uncheck the box next to run this program in compatibility mode and hit apply and run the program again. Now try updating drivers. Right click on the Windows Start and select Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters section. Now right click on the particular driver and select Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for the update process to finish. You can repeat this with other drivers that have exclamation points near them on the list. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.